Ever wonder how millionaires build their wealth beyond their regular jobs? It's no secret, they diversify their income with side hustles. But these aren't just any side gigs. These are strategic, high-return opportunities that help them grow their wealth even faster. Today, we're going to break down the top 5 side hustles millionaires use to increase their income, and how you can get started too. The first side hustle on our list is investing in real estate. This is one of the most popular wealth-building strategies for millionaires. Why? Because real estate generates passive income and appreciates over time. Millionaires often start by purchasing rental properties. The idea is simple: buy a property, rent it out, and collect monthly income. Over time, the property value increases, and you can either sell it for a profit or continue renting it for long-term cash flow. Even if you don't have a ton of money to start, there are ways to get into real estate, like house hacking, where you live in one unit and rent out the others. This way, the rent you collect helps cover your mortgage. The second side hustle millionaires swear by is investing in the stock market. You don't have to be a financial genius to start investing in stocks, and millionaires know this. Many of them use a simple strategy: invest in index funds or dividend-paying stocks. Index funds track the performance of the entire market, so you get broad exposure with less risk. Dividend stocks, on the other hand, pay you a percentage of the company's earnings. That means you get a regular income just for owning the stock. This is another way millionaires generate passive income without having to actively work for it. The best part? You can start small and reinvest your earnings to grow your wealth over time. Next up is starting an online business. Millionaires understand the power of the internet, and many have turned to online businesses to create additional income streams. From e-commerce stores to digital products, the possibilities are endless. The beauty of online businesses is that they can be scaled easily and don't require a massive upfront investment. You could start by selling a digital product, like an ebook or an online course, or even drop shipping, where you sell products without holding any inventory. Once the business is up and running, you can automate processes, allowing you to make money while you sleep. Another side hustle that's gaining popularity among millionaires is peer-to-peer lending. This is where you lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on the loan. It's like being your own bank. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper make it easy to get started, and the returns can be much higher than what you'd get from a traditional savings account. Millionaires use this strategy to diversify their income and earn passive returns. However, it's important to note that this type of investment does carry risk, so make sure to do your research and only lend what you're comfortable with. The final side hustle on our list is creating content. Yep, millionaires are cashing in on the content creation boom. Whether it's through YouTube, podcasts, or blogs, they understand that creating valuable content can generate multiple streams of income. From ad revenue to sponsorship deals, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products, content creation is a side hustle that can grow exponentially. The best part? It's relatively inexpensive to start, and all you need is your expertise, a camera, or a microphone. Millionaires leverage their personal brands and knowledge to reach a wide audience, making content creation one of the most scalable and lucrative side hustles. So, to recap, the top 5 side hustles millionaires use are: investing in real estate, investing in the stock market, starting an online business, peer-to-peer lending, and creating content. What's great about these hustles is that they can start small and grow over time. The key is to pick 1 or 2 that resonate with you and start today. You don't need to wait until you have $1 million. Many millionaires built their wealth starting with side hustles just like these. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom.